Alright guys, let us check out the ingredients for the pumpkin pie. We have half a kilo, 500 grams of pumpkin. We have 30 grams of sugar. We have a can of condensed milk. We have 4 egg yolks. We have 300 grams of digestive biscuits. We have 100 grams of butter. We have 1 teaspoon of turmeric. We have 1 nutmeg, which we will powder and use just half. We have 1 strand of mace. So let's begin. So we have here separated 4 eggs. So we're going to use the 4 egg yolks for the recipe. I'm just adding 1 cup of water. Okay, so I've melted the butter in the microwave for 10 seconds. So let's get on to the next step. Alright, let's begin with grating some nutmeg first. Shredding some of the mace. Let's add the 4 egg yolks. $30 grams or 3 tablespoons of sugar. Give it a squeeze of lime to bring out the tartiness.
That we will add a teaspoon of turmeric.
We'll now add a can of condensed milk. Leave it here. So in the meantime the sugar will dissolve and our pumpkin pieces have also softened. We leave them to cool. Let us check on them now. This is a pot of the pumpkin. Let's give it a check. Yeah, they are done. They are softened completely. We let them cool. Put them in the blender. In the meantime, we will start preparing a baking pan. And we start pressing the sides so it's just firm at the edges. And what we'll do is we'll put this in the oven for 10 minutes on high heat. Guys, you can see our base has browned a bit. I give it 10 minutes on 150 to 160 degrees. So this is set. Let it cool down, and onto this we will add our batter. So our pumpkin is cooled down. So that's the puree. Let's run it to a sieve. We'll add this puree to our batter mix. Let's whisk it again. Guys, can you see this deep yellow color? Almost golden. So we are ready with the batter. Our oven is also warm. I'm going to switch it on at this time. We're going to bake it for just near 20 minutes at 180. Okay guys, so that's our base, and this is our batter. So let's start pouring from the sides. That looks good. So let's put it in the oven. Alright, so our pumpkin pie is ready. It's really well done. We let it cool, and when we come back we're going to carve it out of the baking tin, and let's see after cutting a piece how it looks from the inside. Alright, this is our pumpkin pie which has been chilling in the fridge last night. So let us carve it out now. Let's push the base of the tin up to reveal. Let's do it slowly. Okay, so that's out. So that's how our pie looks like. What we'll do is clean up this area. We'll cut a piece and see how it looks. I'll take a sharper knife this time. Let's go from the center. Give it a nice, turn. Okay. Now let's scoop that out. Okay. Let's place it here. That's a piece. We're going to top some of the pumpkin seeds that we roasted. So let us see how this looks. Oh. Okay, let's try a piece of it. The pumpkin and the mace and the nutmeg is just amazing. Guys, I hope you try this recipe, and if you liked it, do subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching.
Guys, this is